How to avoid clumpy nails. Stir and shake the powder. This makes the powder less dense and ensures pigment consistency. Control the amount of base on your brush. Wipe off excess on the inside of the bottle. Make sure the base is even. Start 3/4 of the nail and push towards the cuticle. Hold the brush parallel to the nail. If you had problems with the rippling effect, try pouring the powder over the nail instead of dipping. Remove all excess powder. Use a fluffy brush and a stiffer brush. Guide the nail into the powder at a 45-degree angle to ensure a smooth surface. Shape the nails to avoid them looking bulky. Tip of the nail shouldn't be thicker than a credit card.